Learn how I choose properties for investment. Today, I am at Lentor Central Residences and I want to share with you my analysis on whether this is a good investment or not. So this development is jointly developed by Hong Leong Group, CSC Land and also Guoco Land. Bring that the quality provided will be good. As you can see, I've already examined the show flat and the quality is better than that of Trump Park in my opinion, since I was looking at Trump Park for investment at that time. So having 477 units, it's a good size. Anything more than 400 ensures that there is good resale transaction volume in the future, so that is good for your exit strategy. So the developer got the land at 982 PS at PPR, and that is 5.9% higher than the second bidder. There are only 2 bidders for this development, and although that's a bit little, but 5.9% shows that there is good competition. In terms of location, it is situated near Lentor MRT, 5 minutes walk through a covered linkway, so when it rains, you do not need to worry. Lentor MRT is 26 minutes away through Thomson East Coast Line to Orchard Station, and that is a shopping belt for Singapore.
For those who are driving, you're just less than 5 minutes away from Seletar Expressway to CTE or the up-and-coming North-South Corridor to town.
However, take note that Lentor Central Residences is not within 1 km of CHIJ St. Nicholas as compared to 3 other condos out of the 5 condos that have already launched in the Lentor Enclave. Also, including Lentor Central Residences, there will be about 2,500 units that will be launched in total, so that will be your competition in the future. But fret not, you will be purchasing at a price almost similar to those 5 condos that have launched if the developers were to launch at this indicative pricing. So Lentor Central Residences and Lentor Mansion are both harmonized projects, while the other 3 projects are non-harmonized. And these 2 harmonized projects, Lentor Mansion actually launched at a price of around 2,002 to 2,003 square feet on average. So if I look at the indicative pricing by Lentor Central Residences, it should be below 2,300, which is fairly reasonable. And if you were to compute this to pre-harmonized pricing, it's around $2,100. And if you look at the other 3 condos that have launched before 2025, earliest being Lentor Modern, which is launched in 2022, they also launched around $2,100 pre-harmonized. So what does this mean? You are getting 3 years ago pricing in 2025. And when competing with your competitors, you will be on the same pricing level, but a younger development. So does that make you cheaper? Think about it.
So in this development, there are 3 swimming pools, unlike some developments serving the same number of units, but only 1 swimming pool. And also, there's my favorite tennis court.
If you like what I'm doing, please follow me on my socials and also scan the QR code to learn more about my journey in investing in real estate. I'm Chris and I want you to follow me on my journey by starting yours now, so that you can